hook it to, let's see, hold on. Put this light on my head. This one. Doing all this one-handed, so bear with me. Alright, so it's going to be, this light's the light coming off the light bar. Down there. This plug, right there, is going to go into this one, right there. And then, this relay is going to go right there. Along with this black cable, right there, black to black. Black is negative. 98% of the time. 99% of the time, actually. So this is going to go right there as well. And then the red, which is this one, it's going to go right there. Then we're going to run it all along the wire, you see, back behind this bar here, all the way up, and then through there, hold on, through, where's my finger? You know, you probably can't see it, but it's right here, through here, into the cab. And then, once I get that in the dash off, I will show you how to wire it. This video too.